Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy, no bake, no cook strawberry dessert. So let's get started. So good. First I'm going to hull my strawberries and I'm going to slice them just because it'll make it easier to mash them. Like that. And I saved the best ones for garnish. And then I'm going to mash them with my potato masher. And add a couple of tablespoons of sugar, just to sweeten them up a little bit. In a separate bowl, I'm going to add some sugar and some cinnamon and mix that up. And now I have some fresh bread, and make sure it's fresh. And I'm going to cut off the crusts. And I can toast these up to make breadcrumbs. Spread both sides with some butter, just lightly. And now I'm going to assemble it. Place one slice of bread on your plate. Spray whipped cream around the edge. Spoon some strawberries in the center. Place another slice of bread over the top and repeat. One more bit of cream on the top. Slice the strawberry and garnish the top. And I'm just going to drizzle a little bit more of the mashed strawberries over the top. And there you have a no bake, no cook, no oven strawberry dessert. Oh my goodness. So good. So yummy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.